The daily code snippet. The caption element or the scope attribute help with accessibility in addition to using semantic markup. The caption element is used to describe the table's purpose. This allows users to decide whether they need to read the rest of the table or if it can be skipped, especially if using an assisted device that will read data cell by cell. The scope attribute can be added to the table header elements to reinforce the role to improve a user's experience. At times, assistive devices draw the wrong conclusion of the role, and the scope provides clarification. The scope attribute has a value of COL when it is a header element for a column, and the value of row when it is a header element for a row. So it specifies the top of the column and the first element of a row. So if we go back to our previous example, this is how we can improve its accessibility further. So you can see that there is a caption now added right below the table opening tag and before the table head element. And we use the scope attribute to show whether the table header element is the top of a column, or COL, or the first element of a row, ROW. In this example, we have modified the language of our note in our table footer element to make more sense since we have added a caption. Again, we don't really see a lot of external changes with how we have adjusted our code other than the presence of a caption and the new language in our footer. These measures help on the back end with accessibility and assistive devices. We mentioned using colspan and rowspan attributes for cells that span more than one column and row. While this may be aesthetically pleasing to sighted users to not see repeated data, as the information in a table is read to a user using an assistive device, the order helps the user understand to which column or row the data belongs. So if a column or row is skipped, it can cause confusion. To make a table more accessible, it is preferable to avoid using these attributes. If it is required to use these attributes to present complicated data, then it is preferred to break up the data into smaller related tables that would allow you to avoid using the colspan or rowspan attributes.